Thank you for watching Lightwave Dermagnetic video on how to apply the hyaluronic peptide gel mask to the skin. So we're just finishing up the dosage of red light therapy. We have about 10 seconds left of that. It's a total of a 10-minute treatment. Once we're finished with that, then we'll go ahead and place our new gel mask on the skin. Alright, so we were able to do the red light therapy treatment on her. As you'll notice, the placement of the panels are very close to the face. The closer you are to the treatment area, the higher the dosage. So you want to be as close as possible without touching the skin. That will make sure that we get a high enough dosage delivery. We can even go closer on her, taking it almost to her nose. You can see we're almost about an inch away from her nose. These panels adjust in so that we can get a really high dosage on the side of the face as well. Once we're finished with the initial red light therapy, which is done on clean, bare skin, then we will go ahead and place the new gel-based dermakinetic mask on her. This is a hyaluronic hydrolyzed collagen mask, and what this is going to do is we're then going to go back under the light and infuse this mask into the skin. So this mask is at room temperature, and it comes in a foil packet such as this. You open up the foil packet, take out the gel mask, which is already pre-formed, and you unfold it. You'll notice there's an eye, nose, and mouth cutout for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Go ahead and line that up with the face for those cutout areas. Smooth out any of the wrinkles in the mask so that it conforms to the face. Once the mask has been placed on the face, smoothed out so that it's attaching itself to the skin, go ahead and replace the goggles onto the eyes. And then you can put your panel back over the area being treated. And you have 8-minute pause to do this. Obviously it took me a lot less than 8 minutes. Hit resume. Once you hit resume, then they will be under the blue light, which you can see is pulsing. Obviously it's not pulsing to their eyes, it's pulsing more than 1,000 cycles per second. On video it tends to pick up that pulsing rate. So as she's under here, that pulsing on-off function will drive that hyaluronic, hydrolyzed collagen, and peptides into the skin. At that point, once it starts to infuse into the skin, the temperature of the skin will drop significantly. So when she's finished with her treatment, it will be extremely cold to the touch as far as skin temperature. And that's it. It's as easy as that. It takes very little effort and energy. Total treatment time is 25 minutes. With this translucent gel mask, once the treatment is complete, all you have to do is remove the goggles and remove the gel bases from the skin. The ingredients have already been infused into the skin, so this is just simply what's left behind. This can be tossed and thrown out. As you can see, everything else that was on the skin is gone and infused in. If you feel the temperature of the skin, you'll see that it is extremely cold to the touch. And that's because it's bringing down the temperature of the skin during the process and the infusion process. Now you can apply any sunscreen, moisturizers after this. Just remember the tissue is quite saturated, so it would be very limited on what you apply. and that will finalize and finish off your treatment. Thank you for watching Lightwave Dermagnetic video on how to apply the hyaluronic peptide gel mask to the skin.